Hi, this video is the hair transplant restoration surgery result. The 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. This client had 2 procedures actually. He did 2,000 something in the first session and another 2,000 in the second session. And I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before and after. And now look at that, it's excellent density, 100% by FUE method. It's 2 years follow-up, honestly. And this is where he was. And he's thinning from the front all the way toward the back, so we cover some in the crown area as well. And so front view, right side view, left side view, top view, and you can see he thinned from front toward the back. So we did around 4,300. That's before, this afterward, before and after. 2 sessions. And this is where he is now. 100% by FUE method. And you can't really tell he had a surgery. And he's a perfectionist actually. And he's considered doing another one in the future. But he's going to hold off for now because the result is already good. If you can turn this way for me. Straight. Turn this way. This is where his hair is now. And this is before. After, before, and after, and before.